So now next location in Hatta, this is like honey farm. So one of the best honey in the Hatta area. So they are making formation here and the natural honey also. This is a lot of mountains surrounding. You can see a lot of small boxes. They know when they want to take it out. So we are going to factory inside. We are going to eat. So this is like one of the interesting area. You can come and visit in Hatta. Must visit places like you can go many. Normally people knows only few areas, but we today discovered a lot of places. I was in UAE almost 18 years. Now Alhamdulillah, today we came with team building with my company colleagues and friends. It's one of the best ever in UAE. We done lot of activities. Some colleagues are missing here, so they are any unlucky, I can say like unlucky. So they cannot get back the same place, same any enjoyment. So you are not visit this area, you must visit Honeybee Garden. There, Honeybee Garden Center, Discovery Center. So you will enjoy, we'll see inside what is they have it. Okay, thank you. Still not register, subscribe my channel. Subscribe now, watch. Thank you. So they are giving for samples, sample honey.
168. Just wait a moment, sir, huh? Because I've only one here.
We take many.
And we have also the summer, the second three or the healthier honeys here, guys. So this one is good for your heart, digestive, and rich in iron or vitamin D, especially for the anemia, guys.
Give me, ma'am.
Sorry, sir. This one. So this one, guys, is the best for the adult. Especially for the summer, sir. Summer, ma'am. Summer. Okay, and also we have the gap tree
Tasty.
or gap honey or
Hatta Honeybee Garden. So we are going to that area. Let's see. We have to go up. We have to park the car and we have to go up again by walk. Oh my God! Already hungry, tired.
So we can eat too much.
No, we cannot. After certain times, stomach will say "Khali wali." There's another off-road. Hungry, bungry.
Different. Yeah. Hungry, I feel sleepy.
So many people came from Sharjah, from the college. Welcome to Hatta Honeybee Garden.
A world of adventure awaits.
So we entering in the honey. A lot of varieties they have. They're giving a lot of varieties, lot of honey. You see how they take it honey. Very clear example. And a lot of honeys you can see here. Unbelievable. 100% natural honey. So the people are also going from the college and we can see they are giving for taste as well. So people are here, mashallah. So you see this from college. These people are going for just like how they make it. This from Sharjah University look like. These people are coming from Sharjah University. So they are going for research. So it's very nice. Must visit place. Worker bee. So there is a lot of difference. Queen bee, drones. All from this all honey from Hatta local farm made in UAE. That is you have to see this is made in UAE. UAE.
No, this 240 what? This is 300 something. How much more? Yeah, little difference.
The honey. So this one, you can see they are making the bee here. Finally, we are going to take our food. Oh, hungry means too much hungry. So Hatta souk and guest. Let's see what they have it. I don't know. We are going to try here. Look like some very nice food. Let's see. So, very big, mashallah. Very big. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Allah. Near to this hotel, backside, Hatta Dam view. Wow. Wow. This is very nice. Very nice location. Wow. So this is the beautiful location.
Selfie?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go guys. One selfie.
Yes. We need to be